Today, I want to give you my top 3 AI SEO tools for local businesses that you should be using. Not only that, I'm going to dive into the advanced, well, it's not really that advanced, but I'm going to give you the exact way to use these tools, the exact workflow and steps that you can use these tools every single day so that you can significantly increase your traffic, significantly increase your rank, and it just save you hours and hours and hours of time. And I guarantee your local competition is not using these tools and hasn't even thought about the things that I'm going to show you today. So let's dive in. All right, first up on the docket is OpenClaw. This is an AI agent that you can train to do pretty much anything. And the difference between this and ChatGPT is OpenClaw is 100%, or you can train it to be 100% proactive. So whereas ChatGPT, you're typing in a prompt to create a blog article, or to create a social media post, or write an email, OpenClaw, you can train to feed you stuff daily, multiple times a day, depending on what you want to do with it. So what I did with OpenClaw is create an AI SEO agent using OpenClaw and Telegram. Telegram is a messaging app. So then what you can do is have it analyze all of your competition every single day and provide you with a list of areas of opportunity that you can capitalize on depending on what your competition is doing. It'll analyze their RSS feeds, it'll analyze their blog, it'll analyze their content, it'll analyze their pages. So, and then it'll tell you, okay, here's what you need to do to compete or to do better than they're doing. And you can also train it to analyze your website and give you areas of opportunity. You can also have it analyze your RSS feed, your blog articles, and provide you with social media content, posts, content ideas, graphic images, a list of bottom of the funnel, high search intent, keyword opportunities to create blog and content around. So this is really amazing. And I actually, in this video, which I will attach, I went over actually how to set this up. I give you a local SEO intelligence prompt. So it'll basically, you fill in all this stuff, your city, your region, your URLs, your competition URLs, your keyword list, your service pages, all those things using this prompt, and then you can have it deliver this report to you every single day, which is really amazing. So this video, again, I'll attach it. You can go through it. It shows you how to set it up in Telegram, and then you're just getting this stuff pushed out to you. It is proactive, and you can tell it to do different stuff. Again, you can use it for content ideas. You can do it for blog articles. It'll analyze web pages. It'll analyze your competition. So this is literally a game changer. The other thing, so this is number one. This is an amazing tool that is probably the biggest change or the biggest thing to come out since ChatGPT, honestly. So that's the main tool. Again, you can create your whole SEO agent off of this one tool. The other thing that I use is Blotado. So this is a content creation tool, which you can upload YouTube videos or content or blog articles. And then from those sources, it can create LinkedIn posts, Facebook posts, Pinterest posts. The nice thing is there's a bunch of different prompts built in that it'll tell from the content that you upload, it'll create listicles, limiting beliefs, 3 tips, 5 engaging questions. So this stuff is all built in. And what you can do is, so you have whatever source you want. Again, this could be a web page, YouTube video, service page, whatever. Then you basically click on the content. So I want to do a LinkedIn post, and then I'm going to decide which prompt. So based on this prompt and based on this content, it'll create a post for LinkedIn under the specific criteria. And then you can have it generate the post and then post it automatically to this wherever you want to post it. The next level part of this as well is you can use Blotado's API integration and integrate it with OpenClaw. So I've used this as a social media content generator. So basically, I have OpenClaw analyze my websites and my clients' websites' RSS feeds, which are the blog articles, and then basically from those feeds generate a post for Facebook, for Instagram, whatever the case may be, or generate an image or a tip image or whatever according to my particular audience. And then from there, it'll publish it in Telegram. So which you can see in here, it'll pop out the post in Telegram. And then from here, I just tell it, it'll pop out a draft, and then I just tell it to post on Instagram or Facebook. And again, OpenClaw integrates with Blotado. So you just tell it to post. It's using the API data, and it's using Blotado to post to your social media channels. So you can connect all your social media channels to Blotado, and then use OpenClaw to create and post social media. But you can also use Blotado as its own source to generate amazing content as well. So those are the first two. Those two alone are next level. You can save a ton of time and create amazing stuff. The third one is going to be for SEO blogging. And this one is Arvow. Again, there's links below to all this stuff. This one is awesome because you can create SEO friendly blogs that then, because you're using OpenClaw to pull your RSS feed. So you want your RSS feed, your blogs to be really, really good. And this can create those amazing SEO blogs to significantly improve your ranking and traffic. All of my businesses that are using this, and all of my clients' businesses that are using this, are seeing 10x, 15x, 20x growth with traffic because these blogs are automatically out of the gate SEO optimized. So all you do, and you can create, so from OpenClaw, you can generate a list of titles, blog titles, bottom of the funnel, high search intent blog titles and keywords. And then you can take those and pop the keyword here, pop the title in here, and create the blog. But more than that is, once you have the input created, right? So the title and the keyword, it'll create this input, and then I can generate the article. Oh, but before we do that, we can basically go in here. You can add more keywords, but here's where why this is more next level than anything else, is you can go in here and change the knowledge base to your own website. So it'll use your own website's information as well as AI to create amazing tailored blog articles to your brand. You can also have it do a call to action, specific structure, but you can link your sitemap. So it'll automatically link your pages together in the blog. So within the blog, it'll link to your service pages. It'll link to your buy now, book now pages, your money pages. It'll automatically externally link to other trusted sources, or you can give it whatever ones you want. It'll create images, or you can upload your own images. Videos, you can have it linked to your YouTube channel, or it'll basically go out and find the most relevant YouTube videos and embed them in the blog article. So this is why this is next level, because out of the box, this creates brand specific SEO articles for your business. And you can kind of see, and these are out of the box, these are SEO friendly articles. So if I go into, here's one on weekly lawn service for Miami company, I can go in here and I can open this up, and you can see all the SEO bells and whistles in here. You can see the H3s, H2s. I can see the focus keyword. I can see the meta description. I can see the alt text. You can see the internal and external linkings in here as well. These are very SEO friendly. The other nice thing is I can use the AI in here and rewrite this stuff. I can use this AI and rewrite the article, add more paragraphs on this, less of this. So this is next level. This integrates with your website too. It'll post automatically for you as an auto blogger. A lot you can do. That's just the tip of the iceberg with this. But those are the top three. And really, honestly, the only three AI tools that you need to create amazing content, to analyze your competition, to give you a leg up, and to significantly boost your traffic. The only three tools you need, and that's the workflow and how to use them. So that's it. Hopefully that helps you guys out. Hopefully you're using these tools sooner than later, because eventually your competition is probably going to catch on. But these are working amazingly well for me and my clients' businesses right now. So hopefully it helps you guys out. Have an amazing rest of your day.